Hey everyone, welcome back to our new episode, your go-to source for all things PowerPoint. Today we are diving into the one of the most powerful feature in Microsoft, Smart Art and Charts. Whether you are creating a presentation for work, school, or a special event, these tools can help you convey your information in a visually appealing and easy to understand way. So let's get started, okay? So the first thing, let's talk about the smart art. Smart art graphics are a great way to visually represent your information. They can show processes, hierarchies, relationships, and more. To insert information, smart app graphics. So this is the easier you need to do. Go to the insert tabs and click on the smart art, okay? So you will see a variety of categories like it's a process cycle, hierarchies, relationship, matrix, and also the more. Okay, so let's get started with the process. And for example, we want to use this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I want to use here the simple process. So the first one, I want to select here pictures, insert, process, and alternative flow. So what I'm gonna do, I select this one, hit on the OK, and before that I want to take some back text time. So once you have selected your smart art, you can center your text directly into your shapes, and OK, by clicking over here you can easily use reboot. So whatever you want to use into there, or what I'm gonna do, use another steps. Before that I want to take out this one, go to the SmartArt, and let me use the process, and I want to use this one. Then I'm gonna then hit on the OK. So now that we have now this one, what I'm gonna do, I want to use something like water or this one. I can easily the ice, and here let me use and the cloud or for the example. So here we have the water, ice, and clouds. After that this comes up the recycle. So you can also customize the color and its styles using the smart art design, and also the fonts that appear when your graphics is selected. Okay, so when I click over, it doesn't show up with the steps, but when I click over here, now it is selected this one. Now let's change the color. For example, I will use the simple colors over here for the example, or I will change that this styles with the here. Now you can see we have now this one. Okay, and just like that you have professional looking graphics that make your information stand out. Okay, so here before that I want to use the different one for more appearance, or I can just easily use it over here. And now let's talk, or let's take it a step further. You can also edit or remove shapes, change the layout, and even convert in smart or text or shapes if needed. Okay, so like here, if I want to insert the another shapes, by clicking over here, use here the smart art design, then use the add shapes. Now you can see it can be easily used, or add the shapes. Or if you want to delete this one, just right click over here, and you can easily delete it over, or face that deleted, so it can be deleted this one. Okay, so this way you can easily delete it. So here, and also if you want to convert this smart art, so you go into the convert in the right and use the convert to text and convert to shape. Okay, so let's start the convert to shapes, and when I use it, it's now converted into the shapes. But if I want to use this one as like before that, I want to undo this one, then again I want to undo it, select this one, use the smart star design. Now I want to change it, convert to text. So here you can now see converted into the text from the smarter. So let's undo it again. So here we have now this one, and also this customization options allows you to tailor your smart art to fit your specific needs perfectly. And if you want to change the layout by selecting the smart art and go to the smart art design, and here we have the different layouts. So for example, you can easily use it with the here, so whatever you prefer, or if you want to add the pictures, you can easily work with this one. For example, I want to use over or whatever, and whatever I am going to do, just I double click over here and on the pictures and use the online pictures. For example, I use the image of the water, so I want to looking from the website. So let me use the water. Then it also looking for the water. Now what I'm gonna do, I will select the simple one like this one, and insert it. Okay, so now that we have we inserting the water as the image, and same way we can follow the process to ensure the ice pictures over here. So then the double click or click over here, use the other pictures, and this times I want to use the ice and use over here, then press the enter. So here we have the ice. I want to select this one or whatever. So or for the example, this one. So now that we have the ice pictures, water ice, and I want to use here the cloud pictures. So click over here again, use the alter picture. This times I will use the cloud over here, and it can be using this one on the cloud. So what I'm gonna do, let's use the simple cloud, then insert it. So now that what is inserting the cloud, so this is the waters, and before that let me change how the water colors, it can be more appealing. Or what can you do, you can change here the design for make it more here the appealing. And now that we have these styles, and this is are the smart art into our PowerPoint. Okay, so next up, let's talk about the charts. So charts are essential for displaying data in a clear and concise way. To insert a chart, so we want to add the new slide by right clicking, use the new slide, and here I can easily use or delete this one by clicking over here, then insert chart. So you can easily insert charts from here, or you can use the insert charts or insert tabs, use the charts, and it will pop up the insert chart dialog box, or click over here the insert chart. So the same dialog box will pop up in a dialog box. Okay, so here we will see our different types of charts, like the column charts, line charts, or the pie charts, bar charts, area charts. So let's choose a column charts, and for this example, and just hit on the OK. So once you have inserted your chart, and Excel windows will pop up. So here you can enter data. So this make it easily visualize your data accurately. For example, let's say this is the product, whatever I do the product, and here the category I can just say sales, and this is the also the I can just sales or make it the more sales one, and here it could be like the sales 2, and here I use this one as the sales 3. Okay, so now that when I change over here, now you can see it changes also in our chart, so it is automatically updated in here. Okay, so and after entering your data, you can customize the chart using the chart tools. So before that, I want to take out this one chart tool that like here we can easily make it, use it like axis level chart or data levels. So whatever you want to show shapes. So for example, let's use our here with the error words. Now it says the error words or daily data tables. So it is the data tables or the data levels. So it has the now data levels. Okay. To make your charts even more impactful, powerful, offers various customization options. So for instance, you can change the chart types if you realize our different styles would better suit your data. So by selecting the charts and use the change chart types, for example, let's use the this one or the like the pie charts or use the pie charts. So I want to use the pie charts, then hit on the OK. So now that we have the pie charts in there, you can also format the individual data series and adjust the exist settings for the precise control over how your data is presented. Okay. So by clicking over here, right click, use you here and use the format data levels. Now that we have the different data levels over here, and if you want to use the format or like by clicking over here, use the format data series, and you have the options like with the format data series. For example, I can easily use it over here, and now that you can see the changes with our different settings. So now if you change the chart design with the different one with the 3D one, you can easily make it there. Okay. So now that we have that is appealing chart in there. So, and one of the best way to make your presentations dynamic is by combining SmartArt and the charts. You can use SmartArt to explain concept and process charts to back up your information's data. Okay. So and for example, you can use a SmartArt process a diagram to outline a strategy, and pie charts is show the budget or allocations for the each. So by using here, go to the here, or we can use the in short use the SmartArt. So here you can use the SmartArt as the chart. Okay. So and there you have it, mastering SmartArt and charts in PowerPoint. You can create presentations that are only informative but also visually engaging. Thanks for watching.